Hey everybody, North Central. Hey everybody, Josh Ryan here. We got the train coming. Let's check it out. Here we go. It's gonna be a good opportunity, ideas. So, oh, excuse me, coming through. Let's get across 3 seconds quickly before. Whew, that's a close one. I'm trying to even look at my camera view though. So, let's see who's the engineer will be up today though. Wow, that was awesome! Wow! Into the tunnel. So, who knows? Black center beam black car is C16 right there. Isn't that nice? Uh-oh. Looks like a weird the lid won't close all the way though. But I think it will be exploded. I think. Maybe not. Probably not. So let's go in the drawing before it won't last long, man. Time is running out. That's the last cushion coil car fishbelly right there. That's the last CSX cushion coil car round hood right there. He's a blaze over the CSX short lines up on this train. But the train, the CSX train crew's risky gamble have paid off, saving CSX valuable time and the fuel for every train it will need and have additional at the Lodgeville Great Crossing. And then you have it. So, all right, that's the end of the m319 westbound mixed freight train. It came from the Grafton, West Virginia yard, Grafton, and transferred towards Parkersburg, West Virginia, onto those legal comics down below the section down in North Ring. Alright guys, that's all for now. We'll see you next time. Out.